All Babies Channel.
There were 7 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell off. Grandma Zombie. There were 6 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell off. Grandpa Zombie. Zombie. La la la. There were 5 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell off. Brother Zombie. There were 4 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell off. Sister Zombie. There were 3 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell off. Mama Zombie. There were 2 in the bed, and baby Z said, roll over, roll over. So they both rolled over, and one fell off. Papa Zombie. There was 1 in the bed, and then he said, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. A very spooky good night to all the zombies. This little zombie. This little zombie went to a party. This little zombie ate all the food, and this zombie danced funnily all the way home. This funny zombie danced all night. This funny zombie ate some candy, and this zombie went wee 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 all the way home. This funny zombie, this crazy zombie. zombies, the crazy, loony, funny zombies. Dance with the zombie zombies. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth with zombies all night. This is the way we comb our hair, slimy hair, we comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair with zombies all night. Ew, what are these zombies doing? I think they're getting ready. Ready to spook us all out? This is the way they high five, high five, high five. This is the way they high five in the middle of the night. This is the way they eat their food, eat their food, they eat their food. This is the way they eat their food in the middle of the night. This is the way they dance all night, jump all night, dance all night. This is the way they dance all night in the middle of the night. We are slimy green zombies, zombies. We are slimy green zombies dancing all night.
Johny, Johny,
Yes, Papa,
what's hiding in the bus?
I don't know.
It is a zombie, it is green. It's getting ready for Halloween.
Jenny, Jenny, yes, Mama.
What's hiding in the bus?
What could it be?
It is a monster, it is crazy. It's getting ready for a party. Baby Z, Baby Z,
Yes, Daddy.
what's hiding in the bus?
I know, I know. It is a dino. He's the best. He's my favorite, a T-Rex. Daddy, Daddy,
Yes, Johny,
what's hiding in the bus? A skeleton.
what is it doing?
It's dancing to a funny tune. Ha ha Mommy, Mommy, yes, Jenny. What's hiding in the bus? A crazy witch.
What is she doing?
She's laughing out loud. Show me how. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Clumsy zombies falling down, falling down, falling down. Clumsy zombies falling down.
Ha ha, let us help him.
Funny zombies making us laugh, making us laugh, making us laugh. Funny zombies making us laugh.
Ha ha, she's so funny.
Goofy zombies brushing her teeth, combing her hair, washing her face. Goofy zombies brushing her teeth.
Ha ha, she's so goofy.
Lazy zombies sleeping in bed, snoring away, bumping his head. Lazy zombies sleeping in bed.
Ha ha.
his teeth.
Where are my
Where are
teeth?
his teeth? He needs his teeth. Grumpy Zombie is looking for his
There
teeth.
they are. Haha, look, we've got them.
Hungry zombies eating up on pizzas and pies. Oh, what fun! Hungry zombies eating up on.
Haha, I'm so hungry.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Baby zombies giggling away, laughing out loud. Baby zombies giggling away.
He's so funny.
We are the crazy zombie family, happy zombie family. We are the crazy zombie family. We love each other.
We love each other.
Yes, we love each other.
Five zombies were cooking at a party. One got the hot dogs and ate them all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Stop eating hot dogs and go to the party.
Four zombies were baking yummy pizza. One got the pizza and ate it all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Stop eating pizzas.
Three zombies were plating up some candies. One got the candies and ate them all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
No more
Two zombies were dancing with the candies. One got the burgers and ate them all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Where are the burgers?
One zombie was walking with the cake. One threw the cake and all began to play. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Don't eat the cake!
All the zombies ate up all the food. What they really did was not at all good. The chef called the witch, and the chef then said,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.
Old MacZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some skeletons dancing to and fro. With a dance, dance here and a dance, dance there. Here a dance, there a dance, everywhere a dance, dance. Old MacZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 farm, he had dancing zombies, E-I-E-I-O. With a slime, slime here and a walk, walk there. Here a slime, there a slime, everywhere green slime, slime. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Zombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a witch, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old McZombie had a farm. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pumpkins, E-I-E-I-O. With a hop, hop here and a hop, hop there. Here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop and jump. Old McZombie had a farm. Old McZombie had a farm, boo, boo, boo. And on that farm he had some ghosts, boo, boo, boo. With a boo, boo here and a boo, boo there. Here a boo, there a boo, everywhere a boo. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McZombie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Eh?